lot of this up. See all the big trees that came down?
Yeah.
They've already cleaned up. Look at that, the structure under the garage.
Oh.
I'm gonna turn left up here. This is the bad damage to the left, Angela. Look at this. Film that way.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh.
Look at this house. Look at the trees all snapped. Look at this tree. It's stripped bare.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, that's bad.
You didn't think it was this bad, did you?
No.